Okay, so tuone how to create business intelligent web system kwa kutumia Python programming language na Django. So Django ni open source high level web framework. Tumechukua case study ya loan management system ambapo tutaonyesha trend ya business yetu. Now you can see hii ni simple analytics ambapo nimejaribu kuonyesha information kama vile total requested amount, total interest, total actual debit pamoja na total cash receivable. Tuna kutumia free open source data table framework kwa ajili ya kuplot table, na hizi ni data kutoka katika database. Now unaweza kufilter hii table, okay? Na hii chini ni just a simple bar graph kuonyesha frequency ya regions. Now ni customer resident by frequency. Now you can see hapa na resident ndio Tanga na frequency ni 3. Hapa nina hii hapa Arusha resident na frequency is 2. Hapa nina Morogoro resident, frequency is 2, okay, and so on. So hii ni simple analytics, okay. So ukija katika hii hapa ni homepage. Nikija kwenye homepage now you can see another analytics. So kwenye homepage nina business target. So target ni kufikia kiwango hiki hapa cha fedha, okay? Lakini current nipo kwenye cash requested loan ambao ni hiki hapa kiwango cha fedha. Na kwa kutumia meter gauge. So hii ni meter gauge, ni visualization tool kwa ajili ya kuonyesha position ya current business position. Now nipo katika percent 59%. 59% kwa maana kwamba my business target ni kufikia kiwango hiki. Current target ni kiwango hiki. Na which position ambayo nipo ni 59%, okay? So nikija hapa kwenye add customer now. So kwenye add customer now na hii hapa just HTML form. Hii ni form kutoka katika backend. Backend maana kwamba imetumia library ya CRISP. So CRISP ni form ambayo inafanya kazi katika upande wa backend. Now hapa unaweza ka-upload your passport size for example, na first name, last name, full and so on. After then unakuja ku-upload passport size. So nikiklik hapa unakuja kuchagua passport size, okay? So for example now choose passport size here. So you can see passport size imesha upload. Now unaweza ka-upload ya national ID. You can see for example national ID here. So hapa kuna some sort of data validations imefanyika. So business type hii ni multiple selection. Multiple selection maana yake ni kwamba nataka select all, multiple selections. Select all, kisha nita click button imeandikwa submit. So click submit. Now you can see hii ni backend form validation, okay? So hapa ulikata this field is required, okay? Na hii hapa passport size should be 100 to 100 pixels or smaller, okay? So hii ni backend validation na hii ni backend validation. Phone number lazima ifanywe validation, okay? So ni click submit, okay? Now you can see phone number should be 10 digits. So huku code zimefanyika some sort of validation, okay? Again we have add loan, okay? So baada ya ku add customer na kwenye position ku add loan, now uta choose customer. Then customer hii inatoka katika upande wa backend, employee, okay? Kwenye upande wa backend. So customer ni foreign key na employee ID ni foreign key. Then choose status, requested amount, and again status unaweka loan status and status. After that click submit. Again hapa kuna some sort of data validation imefanyika katika upande wa backend kwa kutumia Python, okay? Again we have simple trends. Let's click simple trends. Now you can see. Okay, so this is normal distribution. Normal distribution ni statistical model inayotumika kuonyesha how far univariate variable yako imekuwa distributed, normally distributed. Now you can see our interest, okay? Our interest ni targeted column kama interest ya loan imekuwa normally distributed. Normally distributed maana yake ni kwamba hakuna customer aliochukua mkopo mkubwa zaidi kuliko ile flow ya kawaida. Yaani customer amechukua mkopo mkubwa kuliko flow ya kawaida. So ikiwa namna hiyo, basi hapa kwenye hii z what normal graph, kwenye normal graph ta just kuonyesha hapa outlier. Outlier maana yake ni kwamba customer amechukua mkopo uliokopo mkubwa, ataonekana hapa mkubwa kuliko ile standard level ya business ambayo inahitajika. So hiyo itakuwa ni outlier. So we have again what a box plot. Box plot inafanya kazi ya kuonyesha zone ya univariate variable. Okay, so hapa nina hii hapa ni requested amount, interest, cash receivable, actual debt and so on. So kila moja hapo unaweza kuona hizi hapa ni trend kuonyesha zone ya dataset. Kwenye box plot tuna quarters, na first quintile, second quintile na third quintile. Hizo ni information utakazotumia kuweza ku-identify ni position gani kwenye business yupo. Okay, hii ni just a box plot. Kwa hii ni just a normal graph. Kama nilivyosema kwamba normal graph inaonyesha endapo univariate variable yako imekuwa normally distributed, ili kuweza ku-identify nani amechukua mkopo uliokopo mkubwa. Okay, so hii ni normal graph na tuna imani mikopo yetu itaangukia hapa. So mikopo yetu ita fall between mean. Mikopo ita fall between mean, itakuwa closest to the mean. So mikopo ikiwa closest to the mean, ile interest yake ikiwa closest to the mean, maana yake hamna aliochukua mkopo mkubwa. Lakini ikiwa above au ikiwa small au chini, basi hapo kuna shida, kuna mtu amechukua mkopo mkubwa zaidi beyond ile normal level. Okay, again we have a simple what admin. Okay, so nikiklik kwenye admin, now you can see this is admin login, username, okay, and password, then click login. Okay, so this is admin dashboard. Kwenye admin dashboard kuna models of course upande wa left side. Okay, upande wa left side hapa nina model ya customers, departments, employees, loans pamoja na target. This is business target. Business target hii kiklik ndio itaenda kule katika upande wa target. So ni click kwenye customers, now you can see this our customers. Okay, this is our customers. Okay, kwenye ile page ya ku add customer, now you can see this is a passport size and this is national ID. Passport size and national ID. Okay, this is business type kwenye ile multiple selections, registered date and phone number, resident pamoja na first name. Okay, now click kwenye particular customer, now you can see naweza nika edit hizi hapa information. Hapa naweza nika check national ID, so ni click check. Now you can see here hapa ni just a sample of national ID, so ni click back. Okay, so ni click kwenye national what passport size, click, now you can see this is a passport size. Okay, hizi ni open source image ambazo download. Okay, and here kwa upande wa customer, now kija kwenye departments na only single department in marketing, click department in marketing na hii ni head of department. Now employees, only single one employees ambao amekuwa assigned to marketing department, kwa sababu department na only single one department, na employee huyu hapa amekuwa assigned kwenye hii hapa department. For example, nataka kuedit hii department, hizi ni different models. Edit department ya marketing, na you click hii alama ya icon ya kuedit. So nikiclick itatokea dialog box, na hapa naweza nikaedit hii hapa department ya marketing, now can be human resource. When you click save, okay, ita update na hapa. So now no longer employee atakuwa kwenye department ambayo nimeedit. Ile kwenye department, so now your department is shakuwa modified to human resource. Okay, so no loans. Kwenye loans, now you can see number of loans. So now ni customers ambao wapo kwenye table ya customer, of course hao ndio customer. Okay, so customer may take loan. Okay, loans zenyewe ndio hizi hapa. So loan can be rejected, can be approved, can be pending. Okay, so hizo ni status ya set nane na set admin. Okay, so no can be rejected, can be pending or approved. When you click approved, okay, now after updating, now hii hapa click approved, then hapa nakuja check for active. Okay, then nakuja click hapa save. Now you can see loan imekuwa approved na status is active. Or unaweza kuchagua hii hapa, for example now is pending, ya click hii hapa rejected. Okay, and hapa nachagua not active, then I click save update. Na utakuta loan imekuwa rejected. Naweza click a particular customer, ngoja kueditia huku. Okay, so status now is rejected. Okay, and loan status is not active. Okay, here hapo, then click save. Now you can see is also rejected customer loan. Okay, so again click kwenye particular customer. For example, hii ni customer, toka kwenye table ya customer ambayo ni customers, ni foreign key. For example, nataka ni edit customer, na click hiyo icon ya edit, itatokea dialog box. Then I can edit first name, last name or any phone number. Okay, after then nita click save. Click save, hiyo update itakuja ku reflect hapa. Okay, or I can add another customer, and click hapa, nipo kwenye position ya ku add another customer. Okay, then I click save. Then hapa pia kwenye hii dialog box imefanyika data validation ya backend. Okay, and okay, nikija kwenye targets, now I can set business target ni kufikia kiwango hiki cha fedha. Okay, okay, so now let's check your page. So a business target ni hii hapa. Okay, na hiyo ndio tunaiset wapi? Tunaiset hapa. Okay, so nikitaka ku update hapa na update. So business target ina set current target ambayo nitakuwa nimeset hapa. For example, now add target. Okay, so my business target is, for example, this percent, then click save. Okay, after clicking save, now ngoja hapa katika my site, refresh. Now you can see business target ishakuwa changed. Okay, sasa sababu ishakuwa changed tayari na kiwango nilichokuwa nacho cha fedha niki hapa. So currently nipo kwenye percent hii hapa. Of course nimeenda beyond mwa target, nimevuka target. Okay, okay, so again, for example, hapa naweza kuja kuedit, ina fetch current target ambayo nimeset. For example, now naongeza 0, click save. Okay, and come to refresh my site. Okay, naona nimevuka target. Okay, so again naweza kuja hapa kuja ku save changes and refresh. Okay, now you can see nipo kwenye 13%. Okay, okay, now let's try to add one customer. So nakuja hapa kwenye add customer. Okay, so first name for example is Alia. Okay, and last name for example Mike, and full name for example Alia. Okay, and customer national ID, for example this number, national ID. Okay, and choose a passport size. Now for example this is the passport size, for example. Okay, and upload national ID, and this is the national ID. Okay, this is the multiple selection. I can select, this is the date of birth. Okay, now select date of birth and pick year. Okay, after then pick okay, and after then now this is the phone number, for example 0. Okay, and this is the resident, is for example Mwanza. Okay, after then I click submit. Click hapa kwenye set ita delete, click submit. Okay, registered successful. After registering customer, now ija hapa kwenye hapa what admin panel, click on customers. Now you can find customer somewhere. Okay, so ni click next. Okay, this is a customer here. Okay, amekuwa added huyu hapa. So now you can see information zake hizi. Nikitaka ku update, it is not Mwanza, and number 4 nikitaka ku update, no problem na update. Nikiclick hapo nitaona information zake hizi hapa. So nataka ku view passport size, nitaklik hapo the same. Okay, nataka ku view what this national ID, nitaklik hapo. Okay, okay, so now add a loan. Okay, so hapo kija kwenye this link add loan. So loan ID, for example any number, for example this one. Okay, then customer is Alia, of course this one. Okay, employee ID is Eve, and loan status is active. Requested amount, for example, and status is pending. Then I click submit. Okay, register is successful. So ngija katika loan kwenye admin panel, admin dashboard. So you can see Alia Mike, our loan has been added. Okay, requested amount in here. So this is the quality assurance, this is the insurance, this is the interest, this is the actual debt. Okay, so we have cash receivable, monthly installments, status. Okay, so in status now admin anaweza ka status currently is pending, so admin anaweza ka reject or aka approve. So click approve. Okay, so now we see approved, then we click go. So loan status is approved. Okay, and hapa kwenye loans naweza just kuja ku add loan hapa. Okay, hapa naweza nika add loan ID, then nika choose customer. Okay, then nikaja ku choose employee, loan status and requested amount. Okay, so loan ID for example this one, and customer for example this one. Okay, employee ID, loan status is active, requested amount for example. Okay, and status now is pending. So click save. The same procedure. Now you can see this loan is pending. Now is approved. Okay, so active, then I click go. So hapo naweza nika add what loan kwenye admin site. Okay. Au nika add loan kwenye hii hapa just customer panel au employee panel. Naweza nika add customer pia huko katika hii admin site, ka add customer hapa. So nita click hapa add customer. Now first name, last name and so on. Then to upload the passport size and national ID. Nita choose date and so on. Okay, na pamoja na time. Okay, so hizi informations zote zona hapa, hizi ambazo tunafanya hapa, nikija kwenye checkup. So kwenye checkup hapa nina simple stacked. Hii ni stacked bar graph. Stacked bar graph hapo inaonyesha information mara mbili. Hii ni maximum requested loan, hii ni minimum requested loan for a particular region. For example, Morogoro, maximum and minimum. Shinyanga, maximum and minimum. Okay, and Mwanza, maximum and minimum. So hii ni stacked bar graph. Okay, hii ni just a home. Okay, this is home, and this is a simple trends. Unavyosema simple trends. Okay, so now you can see kuna message pia ambayo hii hapa inaonekana. Now let's check. Our site is responsive. Ingawa responsive maana yake ni kwamba hii ni mobile view. Okay, so hii ni mobile view. So ni click mobile view, now you can see vipi web yetu inapia. So hii hapa ni just a navigation panel. So ni click add customer. So hapa naweza add customer. Okay, so ni responsive. So ni click add loan. Okay, so you can see this is add loan page, responsive. Okay, and click submit. Now this is data validation, responsive. Kuja kwenye simple analytics. Simple analytics ndio hii hapa na yenyewe ni responsive. So hii ni web mobile view. Okay, hii ni just checkup. Okay, the same is responsive, and hii hapa ni admin site. Admin site also is responsive. Okay, so now we back. Okay, hii ni home. Okay, so click home. Again, home is responsive. So hii ni mobile view, and hii hapa ni computer view. Okay, now Python website programming, data science web application for business support. The case study is loan management system. Tunataka kuona how to start a Django project, a project configuration, library installation, database connection, admin theme installation, admin site customization, logics building, okay, and so on. Okay, how to start Django project. We can see how first one, download Python, download Django, Visual Studio Code, IDE, create a project and create an app. Library installation, tutatumia Bootstrap, Google Fonts, and Footable, Django Plotly kwa ajili ya kuplot graph, Django price perform, okay, Django clean up kwa ajili ya ku clean for example now come to customers. Okay, now nipo in position ya ku delete particular customer. So delete particular customer, for example this one, then click delete customer, then click go. Okay, then yes, I'm sure. Okay, so customer atakuwa deleted. Okay, so after deleting tuna imani kwamba all informations zinazohusiana na customer huyo zitakuwa deleted. So labda linafanya kazi inaitwa hii Django cleanup, Django Bootstrap, start models na pandas. Okay, so now project settings and configurations. register our app, libraries, URL settings, media registration, static registration. Then travel templates, views, and how to run a project. Database connection, how to create a super user. Admin theme installation, tutatumia Django, Jasmine, free open source theme, okay? And admin site customization, logic building. How to build in logic. For example, nikija katika loans, okay? Now you can see this is loan status, requested amount, how to calculate quality assurance. Insurance is, I think, 2% of requested amount. Interest is 10% of requested amount. Actual debit, cash receivable, and monthly installments. All these calculations are performed by kutumia logics. So what is logics? Okay. In Django form event handling. So tunakuja katika position ya handle event. For example, now add customer. So hapa kuja handle hii form. Click submit. So hii ni event on click and so on. Event ya upload passport size. Now for example, when I upload passport size, how to handle this event? Okay, so you check hiyo ni event handling. So Django form event handling. How to create a form, how to render form in back-end response processing. What is back-end response processing? To receive this message from back-end, okay? Business logics, data computation pamoja business processes and operations. What is business process? Business process ni process ambazo ni hatua zinazofanyika ili kufikia malengo ya kutengeneza product. So hizo process unazi automate kuja kwenye information system. And exploratory data analysis techniques. So hii exploratory data analysis techniques, for example, ukija kwenye home now you can see this is a simple trend. And nikija katika simple trend now you can see we have a box plot and we have normal curve, okay? And we have this is what is the z-score, probability density function, and so on, okay? This is so how to perform business intelligent kwa kutumia exploratory data analysis techniques. Qualitative and quantitative models. What is qualitative and quantitative models? You can see in home, this is quantitative models. Tumetumia central tendency, okay? Central tendency. We have central tendency. Central tendency, for example, now you can see this is a summation, sum, we have also max, we have mean, and so on. Central tendency. In measure variations. Measure of variations, now when I click simple trends, when simple trends, now this is the measure of variations. Z-test statistic function is measure of variation, measure of dispersion. Ambalo tunatumia standard deviation as well, okay? And univariate data visualization techniques, we have normal graph, box plot, a simple this is a stacked bar graph, and we have also a simple bar graph like this one, and simple analytics. You can see hapo juu. Univariate data visualization techniques. Data interpretation, knowledge building. What is knowledge building? So pia katika simple trends, okay, now you can see this is simple trends. Knowledge building, baada kuona hizi information hapa unaelewa nini, okay? Ndio maana ya knowledge building, okay? Data modeling and transformation. Now before performing analysis, nataka kufanyia pre-processing na kuzitengenezea model data before analysis. And business intelligent models, going to see predictive models, descriptive, and so on, diagnostic, and so on. Hizo ni business intelligent models kwa ajili ya ku find what insights katika dataset. Database tunatumia ni database ya MySQL. So for example, nikija katika loan, so all loan information zitaka katika database ya MySQL, okay? So this is a database, information zetu ndio hizi. So kupitia hizi data tunakuja ku fetch data from database na kuja kuonyesha simple trends. So this web is dynamic. So whatever nikija ku update any information kwenye database hapa, okay, itakuja ku reflect huko katika site. Now let's see example nikija katika loan. So for example, I now add loan. For example, loan ID is this one, and customer, okay, and employee, and active, requested amount, for example, okay, this is requested loan. Then I click save. For now, kuja katika my trend, now you can see no outlier, an interest loan is normally distributed. Okay, so nikija kwenye ku add hii another loan, okay, ni click save. Okay, then nikija katika site, refresh a page. Okay, now good, you can see now we have outlier ambayo hii tume add soon. This is the only outlier, and hapa na indicate this is outlier. So maana yake nini? Maana yake huyu aliochukua mkopo amechukua mkopo beyond, ametoka nje ya normal graph. Tunataka data zi concentrate kwenye mean. All data points lazima ziwe closest to the mean. Hapa tunasema zipo normally distributed, lakini hii imetoka beyond ya mean. Okay, nakuja kuangalia hapa kwenye box plot, now you can see hii hapa requested amount ambayo ni loan yenyewe ni outlier, imetoka beyond ya hapa. Nikija katika hii table, nikija ku click next hapa, tutakuja kukuta is out of range. Mkopo wenyewe ni interest actual value. Okay, actual value. Z score yake ime exceed 3 positive. Okay, imezidi 3 positive, and the probability density function ni 0.0, so ni out of range, while other zipo normal distributed. Okay, na ukija katika dashboard, now you can see now nimefikia target ya na kuzidi, of course ni hii hapa. Okay, so of course unaona kwamba chochote utachokifanya katika site kwenye admin panel huku, ukiadd ukinini, ina affect huu website, so information zitakuwa zina dynamic, zina change. Okay, so how to implement this site kwa kutumia Python. Okay, so how to implement. Kuimplement, kwanza tuna install Python, kuja kwenye site, download Python, uta download Django, uta download na Visual Studio Code. So kwenye next video tutorial utakuja kucheck how to download Python, how to download Django, and how to download Visual Studio Code, how to start a new project. So a business support system case study is simple loan business analytics web application. The main objective is to be informed about business key performance indicators, how to generate knowledge, and a final profit maximization.